What is the difference between split clip, set start point, and set end point? Hi Creative Peeps, Nat Reyes here and welcome to another Techie Thursday. I received a question from one of our Creative Peeps asking what is the difference between splitting a video clip, setting the start point, and setting the end point in video editing. So let's go to our video editing app and I'll show you the difference.
Alright, creative peeps. So the difference between the three is very simple. So let's start from splitting a video clip. And the purpose of this is to simply split the video clip into two parts. So in order for us to do that, we're going to drag the cursor right here or somewhere between the video where we want to split the video into two parts. So for example, I want to split right about here where I was pointing the beautiful scenery of Tagaytay, and I want to split that by clicking this button right here. Okay, so as you can see, the video is now splitted into two parts. So this part right here, and the other part right here, and an extension of about here. So that is the split clip. Okay, so we're going to undo that. So the next thing is setting your start point. Okay, so to simply define this, it is to move the cursor to where you want your video to start. So for example, we want the video to start right here. So the next thing we're going to do is to simply click the set start point. Okay, so now the video has set its start point. Okay, so again, let's click undo or Control C on our keyboard. Okay, so the last element is set end point right here. Okay, so the purpose of this is to set the ending of our video clip. Okay, so for example, I want to end the video clip right here, and I do not want the portion of this video, so I'm going to click the set endpoint, and the video has now set its endpoint on this portion right here. Okay, so that's it. That's the difference between the three. Okay, the splitting a video clip, setting start point, and setting endpoint.
So there you go, Creative Peeps. That's the difference between the three. So thank you for liking this video, and if you have any video related questions, you can type it into our comment section below. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button because every Thursday I publish new videos where I share video editing tips and strategies. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about video editing, I created an ebook entitled The 5 Apps to Kickstart Your Video Editing Career. So go ahead and grab your free ebook. Yes, it's free. And you can download that free ebook at natreyes.com, or you can simply click the link right here. Alright, so Creative Peeps, see you again next Thursday for another fun and learning. Nat Reyes here saying, get creative!